So the first trade today was in Sidus Life. Sidus Life opened a little bit gap up, but it made an open high and a very large sell candle of about 12 points. So I decided that I will wait for a retracement. So I was negative on this stock, and that's why it ended up on my short list. So I got a perfect reversal signal here, so I shorted below this with this candle high as stop loss. And after two candles, I got a rolling wave candle over here. So that meant that I was stopped out on this high, which was my trailing stop loss. So I made around 3 or 4 rupees over here, which is not much, obviously. And then the mistake that I did is I again shorted it on the break of this candle with this is high. And although it gave a 1:2, I had not covered any of my position because I was expecting much lower prices. And naturally, market took my stop loss. So this was in total not so good trade. Stock I traded was ICICI Pru Life. Again, ICICI Pru Life I was bullish to start with before the market, but the first candle, as you can see, was a very negative candle, opened below yesterday's close and closed below yesterday's low. So that's kind of obviously be a very negative signal. So I did 2 trades in this. One is I shorted this over here. So my stop loss should be supposed to be over this consolidation high, but then I optimized it to be over the black candle's high, and this high was taken out. Although in the chart it is not clearly visible that it's taken out, but it was taken out. But I continue to be bearish on the stock. Then I shorted the stock here once again when it made a bearish engulfing with a even small risk and a bigger position. And this one I got it perfect, and there's a 1:6 hard trade, which kind of made up for all the previous things that I did. So there are 2 things. One is I have to improve for next time, or when the markets are too volatile, maybe, just maybe, I should really seek out for very small risk opportunities. So, and I must probably take quick profits faster when there is such volatility. I generally like to wait for, I like big targets like this, so it's usually worth the effort, but apparently not today. So anyways, so that's the story from today, and I hope this was useful for you. Do let me know in your comments if there is something more I should cover, or even how you feel this series is going. So thank you very much, and I appreciate all the support that you are giving. Do continue to like and subscribe. Bye.